The technique is simple. It is very, very simple. If you stand up straight and keep your mouth shut, if you have your tongue right up, fully engaged on the roof of the mouth, particularly the posterior third, and I do make comments on this with the mu push swallow, you'll engage your whole mid-face to come up and forwards. And if you have strong muscle tone from hard chewing, that will also support the mid-face. And these two things are simply the most important things. And it sounds so simple, but do this for a long enough period of time and it will have a significant effect on how you look.
The paper reports that the common finding was a narrowing of the mandibular dental arch and a decrease in maxillary arch length, causing an incisor crossbite. Simply put, by pulling the tongue down and breathing through the mouth, the monkeys developed smaller dental arches and crooked teeth.